Hi and welcome back to my retro fun stuff. My criteria was that I wanted a TV for playing games, obviously like everyone, and which one people thought would be okay, and my main issue was whether or not the Sony here with its flat screen would be fine with the laser shooter gun games from days past. And one of the comments somebody said to me online was that although the flat screen will work, the range on the gun will be limited. So I thought, you know what, let's test them out, see how they go. So that's what we're going to do. So about 4 or 5 years ago, I picked up this NES, and life being life, I haven't had a chance until tonight to have a look at it for this very video. So I turned it on, and after a bit of mucking around, found a way to get it to work. And as you can see, we have our controller and our light gun. In there we have Mario, Super Mario Brothers, and Duck Hunt. Now I figured I'd work with the curved TV first, the LG, and then go to the flat screen TV afterwards. So set the standard with the curved screen, which shouldn't have any issues around limitations to range, and then go to the flat screen. Okay, now I've already tested this up close, just at the end of my table here, but I've set up a station just over here. So as you can see, this is about the limit of the cord on the gun. So this is about the maximum you can possibly be from the screen anyway, even if you, unless you put an extension cord on. So just having a look down here, that's 2.5 meters, so it's 2.6 meters roughly, about 8 feet or 8.5 feet for our NTSC mates. So, if it doesn't reach TV from here, it may be a problem, but if it reaches the flat screen from here, it doesn't matter if range is limited, does it? Okay, so let's get the test underway. This is just from here. Oh, terrible. I keep laughing. I got him. Okay, so let's try from further away. So now I'm back here at the 2.6 odd meters, 2.5, 2.6 odd meters, or 8 feet. Let's see how we go. Okay, got him. Yeah, it's working well. Okay, let's try the flat screen. Okay, so now we have the game on the Sony. Let's see how we go up close. Okay, seems to be working fine here from close. Okay, so finally we are at the 2.5 meters or 8 feet away. Let's get this going. Yep, got him. First shot. So as we just saw, there was absolutely no difference between the curved screen LG TV or the flat screen Trinitron. When it comes to light guns, in this particular case, and at least with the NES, I can't speak for other systems, I only have the NES light gun, I don't have the one for the Master System or anything like that, or PlayStation 1. But in terms of the NES, it works just as well for the curved screen as it does with the flat screen, whether it's up close or 2.5 meters away. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.
Retro fun stuff, where the oldies go to have some time.